Tired of getting whipsawed by fake trend reversals? What if you could filter out the noise and only trade when two strong trend tools agree? This strategy uses two custom indicators from ForexMT4Indicators.com, the Trend Lord Oscillator and the Buy-Sell Arrow Scalper. Trend Lord shows the midterm trend via a histogram. Steel blue bars mean bullish, crimson means bearish. Buy-Sell Arrow Scalper draws a line that changes color. Blue equals uptrend, red equals downtrend, plus arrows when trend reversals happen. Buy trade, long, 1. Wait for the Trend Lord histogram to flip to steel blue. 2. At the same time, or within one bar, the scalper line must turn blue and an up arrow must appear. 3. Enter long on confirmation. 4. Place your stop loss just below the scalper bar. 5. Exit when either the Trend Lord switches back to crimson or the scalper plots a red down arrow. Sell trade, short, 1. Wait for Trend Lord to flip to crimson. 2. Confirm with the scalper. The line turns red and a down arrow appears. 3. Enter short on confirmation. 4. Place stop loss just above the scalper bar. 5. Exit when Trend Lord becomes steel blue or the scalper gives a blue up arrow. This setup works best on 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour, and 4-hour charts, in trending markets, not choppy ones. Use trailing stop losses. Once your trade is in profit, trail the stop behind the scalper line. That way, you protect gains, but don't exit too early, and you only leave when the indicators actually disagree. That's the Trend Lord Arrow strategy, a confluence-based, trend-following system that gives clear, aligned entries. Head to ForexMT4Indicators.com to grab the free Trend Lord and Arrow Scalper indicators and start trading smarter.